If you have ever handed your iPhone or iPad to someone and worried about them snooping through your apps or settings, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to use the guided access on your iOS device to lock your screen to a single app and protect your privacy. So let's get started. So to enable the guided access on your device, tap on the settings, tap on the accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page, and under general section tap on the guided access. By default the guided access feature will be turned off. To enable the guided access, tap on the toggle button and the button will turn on to green. So once you enable the guided access, you will need to enable the accessibility shortcut. So over here you can see the accessibility shortcut. Enable it. By enabling this, you will be able to use the side button as a shortcut to enable the guided access. So now let's move on to how to use the guided access feature. So let's say you want to open a Photos app and lock it on your screen. So to launch the guided access feature, open the app which you wish to lock and press the power button 3 times or the side button 3 times to launch the guided access. So like this continuously you need to press it 3 times. Once you press this button for 3 times, you will get option like this. Tap on the start button. Here you will need to set a passcode for the guided access so that you can enable or disable the guided access. So set in password, verify your password again. So the guided access has been started. So now you can see the screen has been locked to the Photos app. Now I won't be able to access any of the apps on this iPhone or settings on the iPhone. So to exit the guided access, triple click on the side button, enter the password which you have set. Once entering the password, you will get option like this. You can continue with the guided access or tap on the end button to exit the guided access. So the guided access has been ended. So now your phone is back to normal and you can use all the features of your iPhone. So this is how you can use the guided access on your iPhone or iPad.